This summit is a great way to meet folks from the storage space, meet potential vendors, and know where the industry is at currently and know where the industry is heading. So it's a great way to meet fellow folks from the industry.
It's a great opportunity if you're in the energy storage space. I think I'd recommend it to anybody who is investing in standalone or even solo plus storage, energy storage.
I would say it is both inspiring and informative. It's just super exciting to be here, meet with old friends, make some new friends, learn a lot about what's going on in the industry. It's been terrific so far.
I think this event, this is the third time I'm attending it, and I really like it. There are not a lot of events which are just catered to the energy storage sector. So that's why I think this is a great one where you meet people who are doing what you're doing in just different firms. So it's like a great one to meet up with like your colleagues and your peers in different companies.
I'd say if you're not here and you're in energy storage industry, I think you're definitely missing something. That's important to be part of this community, not just to kind of win some business or anything, it's just to shape the conversations around this industry. It's a lot of shared experiences because we're all going through that together. So this is the community that's really building this industry. I think it's vital that people who are in the storage space be here.